So Elaine will give us a little bit of a seventh inning stretch. Elaine is a chiropractor, a motivational speaker. Oh, I can use a little help. I can use a little help. Tight. Right. Okay, we'll do a little bit of stretching.
Right. Well, you've had your mind stimulated. Now it's time for the body. I'd like everyone to stand up. And this is perfect. Drop your notes. This is a perfect routine that you can do in your office, stretching in a confined space. So the first thing we're going to do is just focus ourselves with breathing. This exercise is called 4-7-8. It is an instant energy changer. I'll tell you first, then we'll do it. You're going to take in a breath to a count of 4, hold it for 7 counts, and let it out for 8. You ready? Okay. Take in a breath to a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And let out all the air for 8. Okay. We are going to stretch these muscles, the trapezius. These are also nicknamed the worry muscles. All our tension is stored in here. Doing shoulder shrugs, great big circles back. Just get all that tension out. You know the expression, I'm carrying the weight of the world on my shoulders. That's where it goes. And now the other direction. Just get all that tension out. Now, grab your wrist, pull it to the side and tilt your head. Bring your ear to the opposite shoulder for that same muscle. You'll feel it stretch. It's a great stretch. I see a lot of chronic neck and shoulder problems because of these muscles sitting at computers. Now grab the other wrist and tilt to the other side. And just hold it and just breathe. Good. And you can even rest your elbow in your palm and massage your own shoulders. Feel all those knots. Can you feel it? It'll feel like golf balls in there. So just get in there and get some of those kinks out. And then use the other hand for the other shoulder. Feels good. Maybe you should massage each other. Bring your arms up. Just stretch up. And just feel your body, the trunk, just lift out of the waist. And then tilt to one side. Feel all those paraspinal muscles stretch. And now the other side. Oh, that feels so good. Now here's a great stretch. You may want to hang on for balance. Cross your leg. This is for your piriformis. And just bend over. Keep your leg, the standing leg, pretty straight. Can you feel it? Hey, how come you're not doing it? Is there any room? Can you feel it stretch the butt? Cross the other one and bend over. This is a great one for balance, isn't it? Okay, now I'm going to show you the most important muscle of all for chronic lower back problems. I do a special release called the iliopsoas, your hip flexor muscles in here. And part of the treatment is for you to stretch this. And what you do, and you can turn around and put your foot up on the armrest. Yes, you can. You put your leg up, bring your arms up. Can you do that? Oh, that's perfect. Find a place, keep your back straight, and just tilt forward, and you'll feel it stretch in the front of the leg. The iliopsoas, ILIOPSOAS. If you Google it, you will be amazed at how it's involved. Do the other side now. Who said this is going to be easy, right? That's great. Just stretch the front of that leg. Okay. Push-ups. Grab the back of your... We got got to do some strength work here. Grab the back of your chair and you just lean in. Oops, this is a little... You got to do at least 8 push-ups. Be thankful I haven't asked you to do the plank. Okay. See how creative we are? This is about creativity. Okay, now you can sit down. We're not done. This is just the more seated exercises. Okay, so put your hands behind your back and just bend over. Bring your arms up. It's a great stretch. Bring your arm across your chest and just breathe. Sit right back. Stretches your shoulders. And now the other side. Okay, turn your head to the right. Put your hand up and just press. It's a resisted exercise to get some of the tension out. Turn your head to the left. Put your hand up and just press, and then let it relax. One of the most prominent things I see is forward head posture. You look at someone and they're sitting all day like this. If you can jaw jut, see what I've just done? Take your 2 fingers, push your chin down, and it's as if you're hanging your head on a shelf. Bring your head back so that your ears are in alignment with your shoulders. You do not want to be sitting all day like this. Also, problems with your neck and shoulders. So, jaw jutting exercises. Okay, cross your leg, if you can. And without ripping any muscles, just gently bring your head to where your foot is. Or in that direction, please. All these exercises are on my website, ElaineDembre.com, if you're interested. Can you feel your butt, your piriformis muscle? Now do the other leg. Ugh. I'm a runner. I'm not very flexible either. And bring your head over to that foot. Because we sit so much, these muscles get so tight. All right, cross your leg, and this time you're going to bring your knee to the opposite shoulder. This is a great one to do. Although you don't have to touch your shoulder, but in that direction. Now do the other leg. See, don't we feel better already? Bring your knee across. Now, the pelvic tilt. You can do the pelvic tilt seated. See what I'm doing? I'm just mobilizing my lumbar spine. Oh, Moses. The good old pelvic tilt, very important for the lumbar spine, which is the bane of back problems. Now, seated straight, grab the armrest and just twist, trunk twist. And now do the other side. If you have any room, you can stretch your hamstring somewhere. Well, let's pretend you're in your... Oh, hey, that's good. That's great. That's excellent. Good. And I just want to mention, if you have one of these in your drawer at the office, you could pull it out. You've got a 5-minute break. Look what you can do with a stretchy band. And I understand you're going to be doing resistance exercises tomorrow. but you can do all kinds of strength work. If you don't have time to go to a gym, you can use resistance. You can attach this to a drawer. In your office, on the floor, close the door. Look what you can do. You can do the plank in a suit. You can talk on the telephone. Hi, how are you? Yes, yeah, I'm really busy. It's amazing. And think of the core work you're doing. You could, you could do emails with one hand, check your BlackBerry, bring your leg up. There's no excuse. You can do everything in your office. So enjoy, and I hope you feel better. Thank you.
Thank you, Elaine.